Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Matthew again, and still 1 to 9. So I spotted that right there, so I placed that trade. I'm going to show you right after this trade. So you can see we won that trade right there. Today is 1st of February 2026. Happy new month to everyone. I'd like to thank you guys for keep coming back, supporting the channels. We've been doing this for more than 15 years now, and we have viewers who has been with us from the onset, and you might check all our old channels. You see the videos. We've been doing this for a very long time, and we'd like to appreciate everyone, all our viewers, subscribers worldwide. Thank you all for your support, and we never ask for a dime. We've been doing this for free. And thank you all for your continuous support, sharing the videos, commenting, liking, and you know. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 15 1x accumulator, and we're using the MACD indicator. We're going to drop about 6 strategies across our channels today. We have 3 channels. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of February 2026. So let's get right back to it. Here we're trading the volatility 15 1x as stated earlier. So once you log into your trading account, we're on the D trader. Go to volatility 15 1x right there. Then go to indicator, momentum MACD, click on it. You're going to see it right here. Make sure you expand this so that you can see all this, see the statistics. And we're actually going to be looking at this statistics, this number changing right there. So go to accumulator, click on it. The growth set it to 3%. Enter the amount you want to stake. In this case, I entered 24. Depends on what you have in your account. Take profit $4, and we're going to be buying when this is between 1 to 9. 1 to 9, you can see it's currently at 72. It has to be between 1 to 9. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, don't let it exceed 9. 79, so it's going to change. 81, we're working with this one, the first one, statistics. 87, 89, 90, that's to be between 1 to 9. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It must not exceed 9. 100, 102, 121. So you have to be patient. You have to be very, very patient. Okay, that's one. So we place the trade right there. So you can sell before you hit 4, but it's not compulsory. You can see we won that trade right there. Now it's 11, 12 again. That's back to 1. We're gonna buy again. So that's gonna be our last trade. We're gonna drop another strategy. So you can see we won that trade. You can keep going on and on and on, but make sure you're careful. Make sure you're patient. Make sure you're very, very patient. Make sure you watch the numbers changing. So that's going to be it for this one. And for those who haven't purchased the buy sell indicator, the market is currently freeze right now. This is an indicator right here on this chart. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. Buy, you can see the buy signal, sell, buy. So it shows you when to buy and when to sell, and you can use it to trade your forex trading, your volatility index, and all that. So this indicator is just $12 for those who don't have a trading account. We're giving it away for free. For those who already have a trading account, you can order it for $12. And for the pip stripper bot and the toss scalper bot as well, there's the pip stripper bot, there's the toss scalper bot. Toss scalper is $9.99 USD. It works on Deriv and is automated. You can use it to trade your synthetic indices. the pip stripper board as well, 7.99 USD. And we're giving away free stops when you order any of our bots. You get the indicator for free as well. You get all our bots for free when you order any of the bots. Subscribe to all our channels. So the links are right here. We're going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, this is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, and that's the second channel, and that's the third channel. Subscribe to all the channels. And for the indicator, this is the link right there to, you know, to get it for free. You need to send an email to this email address after signing up using the link above. There's a link to sign up for a free trading account. So once you sign up for a free trading account, send an email with the last 3 digits of your account to this number. We're going to send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. This is the link right there. Complete the form. The payment options are right there. The pip stripper board has a link to order it, and the toss scalper board has a link to order it right there. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so make sure you're watching on the YouTube. Here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have one, and the links to subscribe to our channels are right there. Subscribe to all the channels. So we have other infos right there. You can check the video description on YouTube, you know, for all that. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.